beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Libras. Yes, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Do subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Subscribe, like, and share. And if you have already subscribed, many angel blessings. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, you can cross-watch it for anyone you know, a Libra, rising sun sign or moon sign. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website, www.magicventstarot.com. And, oops. So let's see your theme of the month, Libras. What is the theme of the month for you, Libra? Let's see that. For September, for Libras, what is the theme of the month? Ooh, indecision. You are feeling stuck. You are feeling some decisions are there, choices. Libra, theme of the month for Libras. Walking away, number 27, number 8, fate, destiny, completions. You are moving away. Maybe you are finishing school, colleges, moving out of a job. And yin and yang. Wow, friends. This is amazing. You are going to find this balance in your life. You are moving away from imbalances in your life this month. Very powerful month. I do feel, Libras, you will have some choices, some decisions, and you are also right now dealing with those decisions. You feel stuck between a past lover or a new lover, between jobs. You feel stuck. You are like you are preparing for an exam, but you don't know will you clear it or not. So there is this stuck energy, but I see that you will be walking away from people or situations which are no longer serving you. Something is blocking or weighing you down, Libras. You are saying bye bye, and it will be a powerful change for you because it will bring balance into your life. You are going to balance, life will feel very balanced for you in September because this is the Libra season, the Virgo Libra season. You are entering your season, so you will be saying bye to indecision, to old things, to old situations, to people who are abusing you, using you, and you will be moving to something new and something wonderful. An equal match or a reward is coming. Number 22 is also number 222 angel number, so something is coming, my dear friends, for you, and it feels like a reward, an equal match for you, maybe in a relationship. We will look. Let's see your love life, Libras. I don't know what's wrong with the brightness sometimes. Wow, 6 of Pentacles. Libras, their love life in September. Libras, their love life in September. Wow, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, High Priestess, the Hanged Man, Libras. Again, the 8 of Cups, oh my God, the 5 of Rods, the Hermit, oh my God. The end of this month is very important for all of us. I don't know, everyone is having a different ending this month. Some are tough, some are fine. Let's see. I see you start the month feeling little positive, feeling your focus is on work, your focus is on money, your focus is on making good friendships, sharing more, talking more with friends and with family members. I do see someone from the past is trying to entice you, Libra. Someone is trying to seduce you. I see they want to get your attention. In the first 2 weeks of September, someone is trying to write a letter. Someone is trying to email you, contact you, message you. It could be a new person or an old lover for some of you, someone you already know but you are not in contact with. Someone wants to write. I see people writing messages to you. Someone wants to talk with you. Someone wants to really talk with you, message you. They are sending hundreds of messages. I see this person is someone you work with or study with, or someone from you share a hobby with them, like maybe you are artist, maybe you work on the same things, you are both engineers, both in finances, so you are both from the same side. I feel this person was defensive in the past. They were not open to your love in the past when you were trying to make this relationship work. I feel they want to work with you now. They are still a little um, you feel a little unsure about this person. You feel a little defeated by them. You feel a little used by them because you have the indecision. You don't know what you are supposed to do with this person because they are coming back now. They have forgotten everything. When they walked away from you, they just don't remember it. Or maybe when you were trying to talk to this person, they were not replying to you, but now suddenly they are back into your life and you are like, hello, what's going on? You are a little defensive you are a little confused, you are a little defensive with this connection with this person. I do feel this person, this person will try to communicate very clearly what they want and how they want things with you, what are their intentions. I do feel you may meet someone else also on social media, on dating sites, on Facebook, Instagram, maybe on our site you are going to meet this person. So you are going to meet someone online also. So that will also make you a little confused. So mid of the month you are dealing with a lot of work and two relationships or confusions on your mind regarding love. So Libra, you are like, I don't know what's going on in my life suddenly. You are like, I am confused. I have work. There is too much of work. There is so much of responsibilities. There's this past person. There is this new person. Why is everybody after me? Libras, you are the prize. They want you. I would say, Libras, follow your intuition. This person who is coming towards you, they may have an age gap from you. They might be maturer than you. They might be very intuitive, very learned, very intelligent person. I do feel you share a strong telepathic connection or some sort of a work connection with this person, like you both study together, you both work together, or this person is telepathic. They may be, if you are married, this person, okay, I'll talk about that in a minute, but if you are like single and dating people, I would say follow your intuition, friends, because there are two people and you will have to use your intuition, which is the right one to choose. And I would say that things will again pause at the end of this month. Things will start to pause again. You will pause. You will not want to share too much with either of these persons. I also see that you will want to, at the end of this month, you may walk away again from this person forever, because you see there is this person, there might be some conflict or arguments happening with this person, because you have the walking away in the theme of this month. So there may be this person at the end of this month. You may walk away, you may have a conflict or argument with someone. It may cause you some worry, some anxiety. You will think about why this situation happened again, what was your fault, why it happened again, and you will realize that you have better people around you and you can choose them. So you will choose to walk away. You will choose to walk away from them, because I do see there are more better people around you. Maybe you will let go of the past person and choose this new person, or you will follow your intuition, because there is another love coming for you. So there will be conflict at the end of the month and you may walk away. If you are married, I see that your partner will be very busy at their work, with finances. They may also be extremely defensive. You may not meet your partner. Maybe they are traveling a lot, your husband or wife. Maybe you are just talking to them online, your husband, your wife, or your person. You will feel very upset with this situation, Libras, if you are married, and you may start to feel like they are cheating or they are trying to avoid you, ignore you, and you will have to choose your intuition. rather than your fear in this situation, especially if you are married. And you may need to pause your major decisions this week or this month, because at the end of the month some things are going to happen. So you need to don't take major decisions, please. I am trying to tell you that if you are married or in a relationship, postpone major decisions till next month. Don't make them, because there is this energy of indecision and yin and yang. So you may feel this month extra emotional, extra passive, extra aggressive. That energy is there. Let's see your work, Libras. Let's see your work. Wow, the Knight of Rods, the Ace of Rods. You are very, very much into your work. The Tower, something is coming regarding your work. See, Temperance. Yes, you are waiting for some new job. Some success is coming crashing into your life. Like, like boom, it's coming. I don't know how do I say this. It's like some aha moments are going to come your way, Libras, like something out of the blue. Someone will come your way, or you will connect with someone, and a new job or something will connect with you, and it will be like, oh my God, this is what you were waiting for all your life. This is what you are supposed to do. It will lead to a powerful start, a powerful excitement in your work, your career. And I do see an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important for you in your work. I also see, if you are already working, friends, you may have some fight or arguments or tower movement at your job, and you may decide to leave your job, but a new job will be coming. Or you may have to find it yourself, but you will be successful. You will be able to find that job. Balance will come into your life. For others of you, if you are not working, you may find someone, some idea, some aha moment, something will click, and it will lead to change in your life, major changes, positive changes. If you are a student, you'll be very, very passionate about your studies, very optimistic, very hardworking, but you will be so overconfident, Libras, that you may run some trouble. So be balanced. Don't get too overexcited or overconfident in your work or education. Let's see the advice for you, Libras, for this month. Cornucopia 1111. You are dealing with a twin flame. Absolutely, there is a very strong twin flame connection, Libras, for you. You have 222, you have 1111. Yes, the relationships you are dealing or you are going to meet a twin flame this month or in the coming months ahead. You are getting ready, or you are already with a twin flame. Also, money will be coming your way, friends. Don't worry. If you are worried about job, you may have to leave a job, but you will find a better job. Also, you are going to do it. Financial constraints, yes, you have financial worries. So I would suggest you not to, don't get too stressed. Keep working. Success will be yours. And look at this woman holding a heart. Number 444 in reversed. You are feeling that someone doesn't love you, or they don't deserve your love, or they don't treat you well, so you may walk away, or you also don't treasure your heart. You need to treasure your heart, Libras. Listen to your heart. If someone is hurting you, why stay there? Bring balance in your life. Why was this in reverse, angels? Soul contract. Yeah, you have a contract with this person. It had to happen like that. Phew, that was a powerful reading. My God, I'm tired. This was tough. What are you going through, Libras? Let's see if some romance angels messages for Libras. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in the present moment. Definitely, friends, love is coming your way. You need to forgive yourself for the past so that you can come into balance again. And for Libras, what will happen? Oops. That's a powerful month for you. Please come back and let me know. Like, many people are going back to August readings and confirming. You can go back to August reading and confirm if it resonated with you. I can guarantee you it's resonating, because look at the energy. This can't be, this can't be fake. Look at the changes coming your way. It's like, oh God, I'm like fully, I'm like shivering. The changes are so much in your life. Shield, you need to defend yourself. I say, Libras, protect your heart. Please protect your heart. You are the babies of the cutest babies of the sun solar system. Protect your heart. You are very beautiful. Sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start is coming. A younger woman. You may be dealing with someone younger than you. Feeling tied down or frustrated, yeah, there is indecision which is frustrating you. Shark, take care or there will be a loss of material wealth. Yeah, you have to take care of your finances and use your intuition. Unsuccessful plans, there is a knot. Yeah, there is a relationship which is stuck and not moving forward. Position of authority, you are going to get some job. Sorrow over a loss, something is ending. You need to end something this month. Man, dealings or relationship with a man. Nest, an emotionally secure family is important to you. Purse, pay attention to your finances. That's twice, that's twice, that's twice. Where is that? Money. There is this throne also, and purse, pay attention to your money. Tiger, doing something risky. I would say do something new, friends, this month. It's necessary. You may feel very sexually attracted to someone from the past or someone new. New doorways are opening for you. And family wishes coming true. So your wishes are coming true, Libras. Don't worry. Be happy. And that's it for you, friends. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.